Welcome back. Till this point, we have created the VPC, subnet, route table, everything manually. Now we are going to see how we can create with the help of the CFT. That is the CloudFormation template. Or we can say it's a infra as a code tool. So let me go to the CFT, CloudFormation. Here we have. So here we can create the resources with the help of the template. I already have one of the template created. Now how to create a stack? For this, we need to click on create stack. And here we have couple of options. Like either we can go with the existing template, sample template we can go with. From here, what we need to do is we need to select the choose an existing template. Then we need to add our YAML file or the JSON file here. My JSON file is on my local desktop at the moment, so I'm going to use upload a template file. We can keep this file in the Amazon S3 as well. Then we need to provide the bucket name and then the path. As my file is in the local drive, so I'm going to select this. Here is my file. Let me open it. Now we need to click on next. Here we need to provide the stack name. So I'm going to give demo CFT. Let me copy this one. And then we have the parameter. Like the internet gateway, if we need to update the name, we can do that. Like internet gateway demo CFT. So I have created this YAML file in such a way that if you are not going to update the name, it is going to take the default name. But if you want to update, just update it. This is the private route table name. Down. Here we can update the CIDR. So I'm going to update the CIDR 11. Let me update the name of each and every value here. And this CIDR I'm going to update 11. Name. And this is the name of the VPC. So I'm going to provide my VPC dash CFT dash demo CFT. Let me click on next. Here we can add the tag value. Here we have the permission option. If we have created any role, and from that role, if we want to create the stack, then we can select that role here. Then we have the stack failure option, where we can select if there is issue with our template, then what we want. Do we want to roll back the changes, or do we want to delete all the resources? So all those things I can configure it from here. Then we have the advanced option. Let me click on next. And here it is showing me the prerequisites, template, specify the stack, and here we have the parameters. Those parameters which we have updated. And in the last, if I'm going to scroll down, we have a submit option. Once I'm going to click on submit, it is going to start creating the resources for me. And from here, I can see all the resources which are in the process of creating, like the VPC, Internet Gateway, Elastic IP. And here we have the parameter option, and these are the events. So from here, we can see, okay, our private route table is in the process of creating at the moment. VPC is created, and we can go to the VPC and verify all those things. So here I am the VPC, and here if you see, we have this VPC is in the process of creating it. Let me copy this one. Let me go to the subnet. Yes, we have two of the subnets also created. The one with the name private and the other one is with the name public. Let me scroll. See, we have this thing. Let me go to the route table. Yes, we also have the route table created, public route table and the private route table. And here if we are going to see, we have the public subnet connected in the public route table, and private subnet connected in the private route table. We can also verify it from the subnet. See, we have this private subnet, and if I go to public one, we have the public subnet here. Let me go to the internet gateway. So here we also have the internet gateway created, and it is also attached with the VPC. See here. The next thing is the NAT gateway. Yes, we also have the NAT gateway created, available. And let me go back to the route and let me go to the private route and routes here. Okay, NAT gateway is still not connected to this route. We need to wait for a couple of minutes, then it will be connected. Here we can see the internet gateway connected in the public route. We can go to the private one, route. Yes, now the NAT gateway is also connected. So whatever the demo we have done manually, we can do it with the help of the CFT as well. CFT is nothing but a CloudFormation template, just like we have the Terraform. It's a infra as a code where we have our code, and with the help of the code, we can create the resources.